Machining has become an important part of the services that Faball provides. Our full-service machine shop has grown to 4 vertical machining centers, 3 new generation CNC turning centers, plus all the required support equipment. Our team of machinists have a combined 40-plus years experience in the industry. Faball specializes in machining small to medium-sized parts. Using the latest in design software, we help our customers take their designs from prototype to production. We use a diverse range of materials, including the most commonly used metals and plastics. For more information or an estimate, I encourage you to contact our team.